Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on your Lexus LS 460. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that the odometer is visible on your multi-information display. You will then need to find the trip meter reset button, typically located near the instrument cluster on the dashboard. This button is crucial for navigating the display menus. Now let's access the maintenance mode. Press and hold the trip meter reset button firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition key to the OFF position, and then immediately back to the on position. Keep holding the trip meter reset button for at least 5 seconds. You should see a message on the display indicating that the maintenance data is being reset, or a series of dashes appearing. Once the display shows a series of dashes or a resetting maintenance data message, you can release the trip meter reset button. The oil maintenance required light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. To fully confirm, start your vehicle's engine. The warning light should remain extinguished, confirming that the system has been properly reset for your next service interval. This process ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its maintenance needs. Remember, it is crucial to perform an actual oil change before resetting the maintenance light. This light is a reminder for service, not just a timer. Always refer to your Lexus LS 460 owner's manual for the precise service intervals and recommended oil types. Adhering to a regular maintenance schedule is vital for the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle, ensuring many years of reliable driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.